Today's the day. I'm so excited right now. I needed a new laptop and I bought one. So I just got the notification that it has been delivered, so I have to go pick it up. I'm working from home today. I'm just gonna take a quick break and go pick it up because I really want to pick it up before traffic gets crazy. Come on, let's go.
Hey, nowadays the pain follow me. Deal with trauma privately. I don't wanna be a burden, I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me. Act with execution, what's a plan with zero action? Faced with bad habits, knowing this somewhere between confidence and arrogance. The middle ground is treacherous, I work on getting out of it. Pops is looking down, I feel him every time the sun shines. Back to being unsigned.
Been a couple of days since I got my new laptop and I'm so happy with it so far. So as you guys seen in the previous clips, I got the M4 MacBook Air, and the reason that I got it was because I actually did not have a laptop. So I've actually been using my sister's laptop. This is the M1 MacBook Air. It was doing a lot of the things that I needed it to do, but it just wasn't mine. First, I actually purchased the M4 Mac Mini. It actually worked pretty well, but this right here, this is like my desk setup. Typically Monday through Friday, I'm doing most of my work for my 9 to 5 from this desk when I'm at home. And I just wanted to do whatever I needed to do away from here. So I know I'm gonna want to move around to get like my creative juices flowing. So I decided to return the Mac Mini and get the MacBook Air. I've been using it for almost like 5 days now and I love it so much. Even when I first opened the box, even the color of the MacBook, I got it in Starlight. So beautiful. And MacBooks really last a long time. I actually still have mine. This was my first MacBook that I ever got. This is the 2015 MacBook Pro. For a while, I was doing a lot of my editing and YouTube stuff on here, but it just got to the point where I had to always have it connected to the charger because the battery is basically shot. I am the type of person, I typically do not get the newest thing. I never upgraded my phones. Basically, I wait till the devices that I have are unusable or like they just fall apart, disintegrate. That one had to really become unusable before I decided to get a new one. So far, it's so good. I'm happy with my purchase and I'm excited to be using it to create more content. So yeah. To my camera. Oh my God.
Working like a mechanical bull.
Keep walking. Yeah, nice. We just got a package. We just got a package.
We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
It's from Amazon. Duh. I'm not gonna lie, it honestly does feel like I'm getting a package like every single day. But let me show you guys what I got. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this allows me to connect it to the bottom so that I can have a screw down here to like attach tripods and stuff like that. It does come with something like that already. It comes with this one, but for some reason I just feel like this one is too long. Like, you see how big it is? It's very lightweight and it works well, but it just adds length. The next thing I got is also for my camera too. So this is another camera accessory. This is a clamp for the bottom of the camera. So it's really small, so it's very ideal for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And then it has other accessories in it. Let's see. Oh, get that. Oh, I think this is like for, is this for a phone? Oh yeah, this is like for a phone. So I got that because I wanted to be able to do like hands-free vlogging. I just been trying to bring some more interesting shots to my vlogs and stuff like that. I just got off work not too long ago, so I think I'm gonna go work out so you guys can come along with me for my workout. Guys, it is the next morning, and yesterday I had a pretty good workout. I was so tired after my workout. I decided to do lightweight high reps yesterday because I'm possibly going to be playing basketball with my family today, so I didn't want to do too much because I wanted to be able to, you know, cross somebody up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.